C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. I've just said my ABCs. Now it's your turn. Follow me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Happy, happy all are we. Now we've learned our ABCs. Now we've learned our ABCs.
Come along and discover English. Listen well, watch carefully. You can sing, you can play, and you can have fun with Disney.
Magic English, Magic English. You can speak and sing and play. Play. Magic English, Magic English. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day.
Playtime.
Siz bu belgini ko'rganda o'rganishni boshlaysiz.
Playtime.
Bu belgini ko'rganda naqshni o'rganasiz.
Playtime.
Bu belgini ko'rganda agish qo'ysiz.
Playtime.
Bu belgini ko'rganda javob berasiz.
Magic English, Magic English. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day. Have fun with Disney every day.
Friends.
Do'stlar.
He's Sebastian.
O Sebastian.
Hello, Sebastian.
Salam Sebastian.
Under the sea. Under the sea.
She's Ariel.
O Ariel.
Hello, Ariel.
Teşhmi Ariel.
He's Flounder.
O Flounder.
Hello, Flounder.
Salam Flounder.
Flounder loves Ariel.
Flounder Ariel'ni yaxshi ko'radi.
Ariel loves Flounder.
Ariel Flounder'ni yaxshi ko'radi.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
Under the sea.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
Under the sea.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
They're friends.
Ular do'st.
Now, repeat.
Takrarlan.
Friends.
Dostlar.
Friends.
Dostlar.
Friends.
Dostlar.
They're singing.
Ulan nakşi aytıvatıdı.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
They're dancing.
Ula dans oynavatıdı.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
This is a dog.
Bu bir it.
This is a dog.
Bu bir it.
A little dog.
Bir küçük.
This is a fox.
Bu bir tilki.
A little fox.
Bir tilki küçük.
I'm a fox. My name's Todd.
Ben bir tilki. İsmim Todd.
He's a fox.
Bu bolsa bir tilki.
His name is Todd.
Onun ismi Todd.
What's your name?
Senin ismin ne?
Copper.
Copper.
His name is Copper.
Onun ismi Copper.
1, 2, 3.
They're playing.
Ula oynavatıdı.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
Todd and Copper are friends.
Todd bilen Copper dost.
They're playing.
Ula oynavatıdı.
They're running.
Ula yugurvatıdı.
They're swimming.
Ula soğuk yürüvatıdı.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
What's his name?
Onun ismi ne?
His name is Copper.
Onun ismi Copper.
What's his name?
Onun ismi ne?
His name is Todd.
Onun ismi Todd.
They're friends.
Ula dost.
Todd and Copper are friends.
Todd bilen Copper dost.
Now, repeat.
Tekrarla.
What's your name?
İsminiz ne?
My name's Todd.
Benim ismim Todd.
What's your name?
İsminiz ne?
Copper.
Copper.
What's his name?
Onun ismi ne?
His name is Simba.
Onun ismi Simba.
What's his name?
Onun ismi ne?
His name is Bambi.
Onun ismi Bambi.
What's her name?
Onun ismi ne?
Her name is Minnie.
Onun ismi Minnie.
What's her name?
Onun ismi nima?
Her name is Marie.
Onun ismi Mari.
Me and you. You and me.
Men ve siz. Siz ve men.
I'm your friend. You're my friend.
Men sizning do'stingiz. Siz mening do'stim.
You and me. Me and you.
Siz ve men. Men ve siz.
You're my friend. I'm your friend.
Siz mening do'stim. Men sizning do'stingiz.
Now sing.
Me and you and me. I'm your friend, you're my friend. You and me and you. You're my friend, I'm your friend. Me and you and me. I'm your friend, you're my friend. You and me and you. You're my friend, I'm your friend. Me and you and me. I'm your friend, you're my friend. You and me and you. You're my friend, I'm your friend.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Simba has friends.
Simba'nın dostları var.
Timon
Timon bilen
and Pumbaa.
Pamba.
Pumbaa and Timon have a friend.
Pamba bilen Timon'un dostu
Simba.
Simba.
They're playing.
Ular oynawatıdı.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
They're swimming.
Ular soğuk oynawatıdı.
They're running.
Ular kaçıyordu.
They're afraid.
Ular korkuwatıdı.
Nana? Who are you?
Kimsen.
It's me,
Men
Simba.
Simba.
Simba?
Simba.
They're friends.
Ular dostlar.
Who's she?
O kim?
She's Nala.
O Nala.
Who's he?
O kim?
He's Simba.
O Simba.
Are they friends?
Ular dost mu?
Yes, they're friends.
Ha? Ular dost.
Simba is playing.
Simba oynawatıdı.
Nala is playing.
Nala oynawatıdı.
Simba and Nala are playing.
Simba bilen Nala oynawatıdı.
They're friends.
Ular dost.
Answer.
Cevap verin.
Are they friends?
Ular do'stmi?
Yes, they're friends.
Ha? Ular do'st.
Are they playing?
Ular o'ynayotamdi.
Yes, they're playing.
Ha? Ular o'ynayotidi.
Are they dancing?
Ular usul o'ynayotamdi.
Yes, they're dancing.
Ha? Ular usul o'ynayotidi.
Are they cats?
Ular mushukmi?
No, they're dogs.
Ya. Ular it.
Are they dogs?
Ular itmi?
No, they're cats.
Ya. Ular mushuk.
Friends. Friends. Friends. Playing. Playing. Playing. Playing. Playing. Dancing. Dancing. Dancing. Dancing. Dancing. Swimming. Swimming. Swimming. Swimming. Singing. Singing. Singing. Singing. Singing. Running. Running. Running. Running. Friends. Now, repeat.
Takrarlan.
What's her name?
Uning ismi nima?
Her name is Ariel.
Uning ismi Ariel.
She's Ariel.
U Ariel.
What's his name?
Uning ismi nima?
His name is Sebastian.
Uning ismi Sebastian.
He's Sebastian.
U Sebastian.
Now, answer.
Cevap verin.
Who's swimming?
Kim suga cho'milyotidi?
Ariel is swimming.
Ariel cho'milyotidi.
Who's dancing?
Kim usul o'ynayotidi?
Timon is dancing.
Timon usul o'ynayotidi.
Who's playing?
Kim o'ynayotidi?
The cat is playing.
Mushuk o'ynayotidi.
Now, repeat.
Takrarlan.
This is Copper.
U bo'lsa Copper.
This is Todd.
Bu Todd.
Copper and Todd are friends.
Copper bilan Todd do'st.
This is Ariel.
Bu Ariel.
This is Flounder.
Bu Flounder.
Ariel and Flounder are friends.
Ariel bilan Flounder do'st.
This is Simba.
Bu Simba.
This is Nala.
Bu Nala.
Simba and Nala are friends.
Simba bilan Nala do'st. Business yerlik ingliz tilining 4-dersi ko'ngillikdir. Siz Başka dostlarınızga okşaşta kögeş, oynaş, İngiliz tilida so'zlayoladigan bo'lsiz. Birdamdan keyin ko'rishaylik. Xayr, xo'sh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Happy, happy, all are we. Now we've learned our ABCs. Now we've learned our ABCs.
Happy houses.
Көңіллік өй.
This is a pig.
Bu bir çoşqa.